$280 for this image, $190 for this one, $300 for this one, and so on and so forth. You can do this for unlimited times because you don't need a camera, you won't have to take any pictures of yourself, you don't need new social media followers, and I'll give you an absolutely free tool where you can get this done in less than 10 minutes of work. It's almost all done for you, and it's a website that we never used before. People from all over the world are literally making hundreds of thousands of dollars with this website, and some of them are even up to almost $500,000. Now, before we start, don't forget to drop a like to this video and leave a thumbs up so we can hit 1,000 likes in this one, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Okay, so first of all, this is the website where you can get that work done in less than 10 minutes. This is not a website where you'll be making money, but rather than that, it's a platform where you can get those images done in less than 10 minutes. So you can make hundreds of dollars with the second website where people are making literally hundreds of thousands of dollars. But before we get to that website that's actually paying people a lot of money for these images, I'm going to show you how to create those images first so you can make money. So first of all, let's start with how you can get those images done for free. This is the website we're making. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates which will allow you to drag and drop and create professional looking designs. So you can simply come over here and you can read more about what type of designs you can get done with this tool. What you can create with this website is you can create social graphics. You can pick photo, add text, and apply design filters or animations to instantly stand out from the crowd and create high quality designs, and that's exactly what we'll be focusing on. So they also have different features like creating web pages and short videos, but that's not what we'll be focusing on. We'll be focusing on images which we can create in minutes, share instantly, and then get paid with the website that I'm about to share with you in a minute. Now, even if you don't have a laptop or a computer, it's still okay. You can still do this with just your phone because their app is available for both iOS and Android. So you can just go over to the App Store or Google Play, search for the app of this site, and install this free app and create those images on your phone, and you'll still be able to get paid hundreds of dollars per image. So you can make hundreds of dollars every single day, even with just your phone. So even if you're laying on your bed and holding your phone, you can still do this. It's gonna be simple. So just come over to this website, click on Get Started Now, so you can create a free account. And you can either sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple account, with your email or Adobe ID. Signing up with Facebook, from my experience, is the fastest and easiest way to sign up, so I'll just click on Continue with Facebook and it will immediately redirect you to your brand new account. Once you create a brand new account, you'll be able to browse all the different templates from this website. You have all these different graphic designs which you can create, which are pretty much 99% done for you. You just need to change the text, and that way it becomes your own unique design from which you can make hundreds of dollars with a website, which I will share with you. You can even create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collage, print presentations, slideshows, branded images, and even custom size, and all of these different templates are available. You can create flyers, ebook covers, book covers, and so on and so forth. So let's say, for example, I want to use the flyer design template. I'm just gonna click on that so I can show you how easy it is. I just need to wait for them to load my design, to load my template, so I can fully customize it. I can change literally everything, and all you have to do is double click on the text, type in whatever you want. Let's say, for example, when I type in cash flow, click done, and it will change on this image. Now on the right hand side, you can also customize colors. So you want to change the colors, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can customize literally everything. You can add different shapes, shadows, different animations and whatnot. And here on the left hand side, you can select different templates in case you don't like this one. So maybe I rather prefer this one. I can click on create from this template, wait until it loads, and I can customize this one. So it's really easy and simple to use because once again, it's like 99% done for you. You just need to change the effects and save it to your computer. Let's say I want to type in once again cash flow. I will click Done. Now it's gonna look something like this. Maybe I want to change the background image. I can also do that as well. I can click on Replace or Remove Background or add different filters to my own background. If we want to replace an image, I can, for example, use this one. Let's see how this looks like. If I don't like it, I can change it. I can maybe select this one. Maybe this one's gonna look a lot better. So it's definitely fully customizable. It's really easy and simple to use, and you can create all sorts of different designs from those templates. You can, once again, create flyer designs. You can create social media designs like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter posts. You can create YouTube thumbnails, ebook covers, book covers, and so on and so forth. And once you're done designing, you can either click the download button right here, and that's instantly gonna download this image to your computer. It's gonna download the high quality version of this image. You can either do it like that, or if you want to remove the watermark, you can open up a snipping tool or any other screenshot software that you have on your computer and just screenshot this image, take a snap, and just exclude the watermark that's at the bottom, and you're ready to go. So that's how simple and easy it is to get those designs done with Spark. It literally takes less than 10 minutes because those templates are 99% done for you. Now, let me show you the website that will actually pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you create with Adobe Spark. Yes, this site that we're working on in Adobe Spark, you can go to spark.adobe.com or download their app on your Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. Just search Adobe Spark and you will see this. And the website will pay you for those images. The website will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs which you create with Adobe Spark, and it's called DesignCrowd.com. This is over at the DesignCrowd.com, where you'll get paid for all the different designs for logo designs, business cards, web designs, flyers, graphic designs, which you can all create with Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes. And let me show you this. If I go to designers and let's say for example I select graphic designers, you will be able to see people from all over the world making money. You have people from Serbia making $35,000 with this website, India $27,000, United Kingdom, Romania, India once again, and another United Kingdom, South Africa, United States, another United Kingdom, Malaysia, and so on and so forth. If we, for example, select logo designers, you'll be able to see that people are making even more money. This person has made $291,000. This person from the Philippines, $244,000. From India, $265,000, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of money to be made with DesignCrowd.com. It's a really good website that pays a really decent amount of money for those designs which you can get done in less than 10 minutes. So if you go over to Jobs section right here, you can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for doing that. You can create anything from business card designs all the way down to flyer designs, poster designs, postcard designs, web designs, Facebook designs, YouTube designs, Twitter designs, everything that we saw on the previous website, everything which you can get done in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. So let's say for example you want to focus on flyer designs. You can click on that and you'll be able to see different jobs that are available right now. Currently there are 4 jobs open and I can submit my designs and get paid. In this case, $280 for one single image that I submit over here. And that is just for one single design which I can get done in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. I can get paid $190 just for this project alone. This one will pay me $190 if I get accepted, and there will be new jobs coming in all the time, so you'll never run out of jobs to complete within all of those sections. Of course, 2 jobs are not a lot, but that's only under the flyer design section. You have different sections which you can select. You can maybe go with banner ad designs, app designs, icon designs, Facebook designs, YouTube designs. Let's use Facebook designs as an example. Let's see if there are new jobs available right here. There are currently no jobs open, but as you can see, there were over 300 Facebook design jobs open recently. They were all paying hundreds of dollars for a single image. So just submit one single image and you have the chance to get paid hundreds of dollars. And then you can also provide other design services. For example, use graphic designs, and under the graphic design section, You have 14 graphic design jobs open right now today. Now, by the time you're watching this video, there might be more, there might be less, but there will be new jobs coming in all the time. So once again, it will never run out of jobs to complete, and all of them are paying hundreds of dollars. This one is paying $110 for one single design, $190, $190, $190, 200 pounds, which is about $230 I think, and so on and so forth. Hundreds of dollars every single image, every one image design which you submit in this website. Now, to get started with DesignCrowd.com, all you have to do is come over to this website, click join for free with this button right here, enter your email address, create a password, and click let's go. Once you sign up and you log into your brand new account, you can start browsing all these different jobs, and once you find a suitable one, just click on submit your design and wait to see if you've made money. In this case, that's gonna be $190 for that design, and since a lot of you guys often ask me how can you actually cash out money from the website, how can you actually withdraw your earnings from the website, so here I want to explain to you exactly how simple and easy it is. So once you start making money, just go over to your profile right here. Click profile settings, and then on the left hand side, you can select payouts right here. And then select your payment method and you can enter your payment details. In this case, I added my PayPal email address because I want to get paid through PayPal. So my payout method is PayPal. You can just click on add a payout method and you can add however you want to get paid, and that's how you can collect your earnings. That's how you can withdraw your money once you start earning some. So that is it for today. I hope you got some value out of this, and once again, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.